In this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 laws of life that will make you extremely successful. Whether you're a business owner already, looking to scale your business to the next level, or you're looking to start a business online, you will benefit tremendously from the information that I lay out in all these videos. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into the topic. Now, the first law is do the things you know you should do even when you don't feel like doing them. Now look, the reality is that it's very easy to do the things that we know we should be doing when we're motivated, when we're in the zone, when things are happening for us. But how about when things are going left? And how about when you feel demotivated? How about when you have no energy? What about those days? What do you do when you feel like that? Well, again, do the things you know you should do even though you don't feel like doing them. That's going to help you tremendously in your quest to success. Now, the good news is that everybody can do that. It's only a matter of how aware we are of the things that we are doing and catching ourselves every time we're about to, drift off and do something completely different from what we know we should be doing. Now, the second law the successful entrepreneurs like to live by is they always tend to get out of their comfort zone. When you live within your comfort zone, you tend to get complacent. And so you need to ask yourself, the moment you wake up, you need to ask yourself, maybe write it down if you will, what is the one thing that's gonna get me out of my comfort zone today? Is it gonna be a phone call that I know I should make? Is it an email? Is it a video that I know I should record for my YouTube channel, for my website, for an ad that I'm about to start running? Okay, so if this is your comfort zone right here, and this is you right in the middle, you don't need to make giant leaps and come right over here. That's gonna grow over time. That's what a lot of people get stressed out. You need to only get out of your comfort zone a tiny bit so that becomes the norm for you, okay? Let's say if that is to get on a call with somebody and you feel uncomfortable doing that because it's a sales call and you don't feel that confident in your sales ability, then you know that that's gonna get you out of your comfort zone. And so you need to do that despite the way you feel. You should get excitement. You should get butterflies every single day. Every single day, you should have things that push you out of your comfort zone. Now, the third law that you want to pay very, very close attention to is how you do one thing is how you do everything in your life. Now, a good example would be if you go to a public restroom and you don't clean up after yourself. Like, I can almost guarantee you that you have other areas in your life where you always take for granted. Now, I can almost guarantee you that you have other areas in your life that you are just as messy. Another good example would be if you go to the gym and you see somebody who doesn't put their weights away after they've done using them. It's the same thing. I can almost guarantee you that they have the same sort of mentality in some other areas in their life. They're messy in some other areas of their life. It's not just the weights. I can guarantee you that. Now, number 4 is healthy mind, healthy body. A common trait and a law that the most successful people live by is that they need to take care of their body and they need to take care of their mind. They need to stay sharp at all times in order for them to be the most productive throughout the day and not waste any time. And how successful people achieve a healthy mind and a healthy body is through, number 1, working out. Working out is a great way to increase blood flow and improve your blood circulation, which of course promotes high performance. Another thing that they do is they watch what they eat, okay? You'll never see a successful person eating McDonald's or doing this all the time, okay? They might, of course, we're human beings, we might get a McDonald's here and there, right? But we don't eat that kind of food all the time because that promotes the opposite. That promotes brain fog. And when your brain is foggy all the time, you lose the ability to be creative. You lose the ability to be sharp and to the point and focus and do the things that you know you should be doing. Maybe I'll do another video on how to clear brain fog, and also maybe I'll do another video with the list of foods that are very, very high in nutrients. Now, number 5 and the 5th law that high performers live by is simplicity is key. The main thing in any sort of business is to make sure you drive revenue. This is how high performance and very successful entrepreneurs operate on the premises that simplicity is key. How do we drive more revenue? How do we pitch more people? And I know some of you watching might say, well, Jeff Bezos doesn't focus on that. He focuses on customer satisfaction. Well, Jeff Bezos knew how to make money first. And then he was like, okay, well, how do we keep these people happy so that we can have a long-term success? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. I hope to see you in the next video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel by smashing the button down below. And I will see you again on the next one.